Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Naufal Demas Hartono with NIM 2024320013. Okay, in this video I will explain about neural network and key learning. The purpose of this video report is to explain in detail the answer to the practical module question that I have complete. Through this explanation, we'll see how artificial intelligence or AI implemented into a line of code and how to evaluation result are interpreted successfully. In first is a question recognizing the multiplayer perspective or MLP architecture. An MLP is a fundamental structure in artificial neural network. Okay, artificial neural network that the feed information forward in the single direction. In this practical lab, the architecture we built in consistent of three essential parts. First is a input layer which has 16 neuron. This is not random. It's precisely tailored to match the total of number of features or parameters in dataset. Second are a hidden layer which are configured with three-layer structure consecutively 1050 neuron in the first layer and 1000 neurons is the second layer and 550 neurons in the third layer, and these hidden layers are responsible for extracting complex nonlinear pattern from the data. The final part is the output layer which predict the target class, whatever a patient indicate as having diabetes or non-diabetes. It's a fundamental reason why the number of neuron is each hidden layer get progressively smaller is to filter information step by step. The model focus the most influential feature, reduce the computational workload, accelerate training convergence, and most importantly minimize the risk of overfitting. And the dataset is hard. And next, move the three question regarding the training process of backpropagation. In the lab, the maximum number of iteration is set max iter 4050. On iteration or approach mean that the model has seen process the entire training dataset in on few cycle. In each iteration, the model make a prediction and then calculate the error rate using a loss function. Through the backpropagation process, this error value is passed backward to update the weight and base of each neuron connection using gradient. The number of iterations must be set very carefully. If the number of iterations is too low, the model will experience underfitting because it hasn't had enough time to materially learn the underlying data pattern, resulting in poor accuracy. On the other hand, if there are too many iterations, the model will suffer from overfitting, where memorize is training data too excessively, including its noise, causing its performance to fall apart when tested against new data. And then is the tan or hyperbolic tangent function, which map value into range of -1 to 1. It's advance it to the output 0 centered, making wake update during backpropagation more balanced. Fourth is a ReLU or Redshift linear unit function. It works by turning all negative input value into 0 and leaving positive value exactly as the R, Fx, max, and ReLU is the most optimal choice in the case because it highly computationally efficient and efficiently overcome the finishing gradient problem. And then is for the neural network section, the fifth question address a data splitting question and the learning rate parameter. We split our data into 70% for training data and 30% for testing data. The split is mandatory so that we have independent data to objectively the model generalize capabilities. If training accuracy is extremely high while testing accuracy is low, it's clear a sign of overfitting. And learning is a value-based reinforcement learning algorithm where an intelligent agent learns to make optimal sequential decisions through daily interaction with an environment via a system of reward and punishment. Its main components include state which map the agent's current position. For example, on X4 grid, there are a possible state, an action which is present to move the agent can take, such as moving up, down, and left or right. Next is the reward, which in the numerical feedback in the form a positive reward or a negative penalty given by the enforcement based on the agent action. And thank you and bye bye.